Ever pondered the incredible variety and beauty of seashells that adorn our beaches? From the Atlantic sea scallop to the banded wedge shell, each holds a unique story, a testament to the marvels of nature. Embark on this journey as we explore the fascinating world of seashells. Imagine a shell with up to 100 eyes. That's the Atlantic sea scallop for you. A fascinating bivalve, living life in a kaleidoscope. The Atlantic sea scallop, a sight for 100 eyes. Ever seen a shell that looks like it's wearing a crown? Meet the Venus comb murex. Its regal appearance mirrors a lifestyle of seafloor royalty. The Venus comb murex, the reigning monarch of the seashell kingdom. Beauty inside and out, that's the pearl oyster shell for you. Known for its pearls, it's a gem living an aquatic lifestyle. The pearl oyster, a treasure chest of the ocean. A spiral wonder, introducing the West Indian worm shell. Its unique spiral form is a testament to its graceful, unhurried lifestyle. The West Indian worm shell, a marvel of nature's architecture. Timeless beauty personified, welcome the sundial shell. A marvel of nature, its intricate design symbolizes endurance and elegance. The sundial shell, beauty that stands the test of time. From the 100-eyed Atlantic sea scallop to the timeless sundial shell, the world of seashells is truly fascinating. Each holds a unique lifestyle, a distinct beauty, a testament to nature's creativity. So next time you're on a beach, take a moment to appreciate these natural wonders. After all, beauty comes in shells too.